A warehouse is on fire in Abington Township, Pennsylvania. The fire broke out on Tuesday night, February 18th. Witnesses reported an explosion in the SPS Technologies building. The warehouse was evacuated and no employees were injured. The local police asked residents to avoid the area around the source of the fire. Emergency accommodation was set up for them. Hazardous materials teams are monitoring the air quality in the region. Schools in the immediate vicinity remain closed for the time being. The cause of the fire is still unclear, and the local police are investigating.